Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If two zeros of polynomial x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d are 5 plus minus root 2, find its third zero. Now since 5 plus root 2 and 5 minus root 2 are two zeros of given polynomial, we can say x minus 5 plus root 2 and x minus 5 minus root 2. These two are factors of given polynomial by factor theorem. So what we have, x minus 5 minus root 2 multiplied by x minus 5 plus root 2 is a factor of given polynomial. So let's simplify this. To simplify, we can use a minus b, a plus b identity, which gives us a square minus b square. So x minus 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square by a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square identity. So simplified will be x square minus 10x plus 25 minus root 2 square is 2. So x square minus 10x plus 23 is factor of given polynomial. Now what we can do is we can divide given polynomial with this, and the quotient that we get will be the third factor. Therefore, quotient of x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d divided by x square minus 10x plus 23 will be the third factor, which is required factor. Now from this factor we can get the third root. So let's perform this division. So x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d when divided by x square minus 10x plus 23. Now when we perform this division, the quotient of the division is our required factor, and since this is given as factor, the remainder has to be 0. So let's start. To cancel out x cube, we'll need to multiply by x. So minus x cube minus 10x square plus 23x. So the subtraction will be, let's see, x cube will be cancelled out. B minus of minus 10 is b plus 10 x square. C minus 23, so plus c minus 23x, and this d will come down, so plus d. Now to eliminate x square term, we'll have to multiply this entire divisor with plus b plus 10. So that will be b plus 10 multiplied by x square is b plus 10 x square plus, now this is minus because this is minus 10 multiplying, so minus 10b plus 100 x and plus 230. So this is the subtraction now. x square term will be eliminated, and we are left with c minus 23 minus of minus 10b, so plus 10b plus 100 x plus d plus 230. Now looking at the degree of remainder, it's x. So x square minus 10x plus 23 can no longer divide this further. So what we can say that the division is complete and remainder will be 0 for appropriate values of a no values of b, c and d. Values of b, c and d. So remainder will be, rather remainder is 0. So quotient equal to x plus b plus 10 is third factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Therefore, by equating this quotient to 0, we'll get the third root of the equation. Therefore, x plus b plus 10 equal to 0, which gives x equal to minus b minus 10, is third root of given polynomial. So this is the answer, x equal to minus b minus 10. Let's look at the given options. So let's see, answer is option D, minus b minus 10.